Guys, I came across a recipe and it's really so easy to make, delicious for diabetes, vegan, and everybody really. It's healthy. I call them healthy balls. So it's one apple, some dry figs, um, any nuts, almond, pecan nut, walnut, pistachio, and some oats and a little bit of dry apricot, or it could be another dry fruit. Maybe not the date because the date is really sweet. Let's make it. You're ready for that? A cup of dry apricot, same cup with oats, one diced apple, a cup of dry figs, and it's missing the nuts. Okay, I'm going pecan for this one. Cup of pecan. That's it. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Oh. By the way, I removed the little tail from the dry figs. It's too hard. Okay, bzz, bzz, until it's nice and combined and create a little paste. Like this. Okay. That on the chopping board. So now this paste, you can turn it into bars by rolling it, or you can do like little balls, healthy balls. Something like that. And then I was thinking, why not rolling them into roasted sunflower seed? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna transfer them into this little dish. They look so good, man. Really good. That's it. Very nice, very easy to make, very healthy. You can let them dry a little bit before reserve them into a box in the fridge. And it's ideal. I feel already very healthy. One bowl every morning is great. Enjoy!